Why don't senior citizens do exercises while walking? Because they can't bear it when their walking stick gets more fit than they do. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on walking exercises for seniors. Tip 1. Start slowly. If you aren't accustomed to regular exercise or if you have recently experienced health issues, take it slow. A 5 or 10 minute brisk walk down your street or around your home is a good start. Gradually increase the duration and speed of your walks as your fitness level improves. Tip 2. Dress appropriately. Be sure to dress comfortably for your walk. If the weather is cold, dress in layers to keep warm. If it's hot, wear light, breathable clothes. Your footwear is especially important. Ensure you wear comfortable walking shoes with enough cushion and support. Tip 3. Warm up. Warm up before your walk to prepare your muscles and avoid injury. This could involve gentle stretches or walking at a slow pace for the first few minutes of your workout. Tip 4. Practice good posture. While you walk, try to maintain an upright posture. Poor posture can result in back pain or injuries. Engage your core muscles, pull your shoulders back, and keep your head up. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your walk to stay hydrated. Dehydration can be dangerous for seniors and can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and other health issues. Tip 6. Cool down. After your walk, cool down with gentle stretching exercises. This will help prevent stiffness and soreness in your muscles. Tip 7. Consistency is key. Aim to incorporate walking into your daily routine. Consistency is essential for maintaining your level of fitness, improving your overall health, and boosting your mood. Tip 8. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after your walks. If you feel pain, discomfort, or extreme fatigue, take a break or reduce the intensity of your walks. Tip 9. Mix it up. Try different walking paths or routes to keep your walks enjoyable and interesting. Walking in different locations can introduce new challenges and stimulation for your mind too. Tip 10. Make it social. Walking can be a social activity. Invite friends, family, or neighbors to join you for a walk. This can make exercise more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Tip 11. Safety. First, if you're walking outside, try to walk in well-lit areas during daylight hours. Carry your phone with you and let someone know where you're going. Depending on your health, you may also want to wear a medical alert bracelet.